Good evening. I wanted to update everybody on what I was doing. I came up with a new design with a lot of help from my model railroad group, the forum that I stay on. They came up with a suggestion to do like a girder bridge, get away from the truss bridge. And that's what I did. So I 3D printed a couple different ones. And I really came up with this one like this. As you can see, I've already kind of weathered it. It's going to have some more weathering done. I was able to 3D print the supports here. And I know these bridges usually are going to have a center support right there in the dead middle. But I chose to keep it out because if you look back behind there, you can see I have a mirror taped off. And that mirror is going to give that water some depth when I pour the rest of the water back up in there. So that's why I chose to do that. I think it looks okay. I think it's fine. But if you look at it now with that in there, it sure looks a lot different. It blends right in with the trestle. The mountains get really close to blending in with my actual real picture. I'll do some scenery there. And this is totally removable, so I can access everything. I'll walk you back and show you, but that way it hides my workshop. Let's go walk back here. Not very pretty from the back side here, but you can see it. This is the back side of it, so I can pick this up and remove it, access the trestle bridge, everything else. And again, there it is. Pretty happy with it. I think it'll look really good right there. So leave your comments, see what you think. I appreciate you stopping by again, taking a look at this. I'll update it here soon. Thank you. Good night.